Welcome to your daily recovery routine. Starting with your body in tabletop position, hands below your shoulders, knees below your hips. Let the hips sway side to side. Let everything go, so no contraction in the abdomen, no resistance anywhere. Just let the hips go side to side, letting the nervous system playfully make its way through your body. Here's 3, and 2, and 1. Back to center, plug the tops of the feet into the floor, hands press forward, knees back, round your belly up, tuck your tailbone, drop your head, fully dead weight. Hands resist back, knees forward, tailbone releases, let the belly drop down into the floor, slight chin tuck, looking forward to the front of the mat, and then lean your body forward over into the hands for a little wrist stretch. Back to center, tops of the feet press down, hands resist forward, round your spine, tuck your tailbone more, let your head drop. Stay active in your abdominals now and a side to side of the hips a couple times. Hands are still pressing forward. Here's 3, 2, one more time. Back to center, hands resist back, knees forward. Wave it down, sternum comes up, chin tuck, lean forward, wrist stretch. Back to center, flat back, knees open, feet come together, hands take a big step forward, pinkies on the inside edge of your mat. If your belly's dropped, lift it up, hands resist back, knees forward, tailbone reaches back towards your heels. Staying here, press your hands forward, propelling yourself forward over your hands. Good, hands back. Feel the heels of the hands pressing down firmly into the ground as you elongate your spine. Once you're here, keep your arms straight-ish, and you're going to lift your rib cage up. Look at your belly button. Keep resisting the hands, chin tuck, look to the front of the mat. If your shoulders aren't liking this, feel free to come down to bent arms and karate chop. Belly lifts up, look at your belly button. Chin tuck, sternum pulls through, look to the front of the mat. One more time, ribs lift, tailbone tucks, chin to the chest. Hands are plugged in to create upper body contraction. Chin tuck, look to the front of the mat. Hands press forward, resisting the fingertips to the front of the mat. Your legs are active and strong, energetic to bring you back forward over. Bringing the hands back underneath your shoulders, knees below your hips. Right hand's going to unweight itself, and you're going to reach it through as if you're trying to reach something. Reach. Bring it back, put it down. Left hand's going to reach through. Let your body twist, reach, move those fingers. Back to center. Take that right hand underneath, place the top of the hand down on the floor, and resisting that arm into the floor as you bring your shoulder and head down. Take your left hand a little bit further in front of you and place it firmly into the ground. Now, if you're not all the way in the floor, that's okay. The shoulder can be hovering above if that's more comfortable. If you're down, firm up the whole hand and arm into the ground and swivel to look up. Heels are lightly pressed together and back. Let your body roll back down. Refirm up into the ground with the arms, both of them. And release back down. Upper body mobility through the shoulders, through the rib cage, and even the neck. And back down. We have 2 more. Contraction in the arms is the key here. Relax back down. Last time, resist. And release. Activate your middle body muscles. Press into the left hand to come back to center. Good. Moving to the other side. Taking the left hand down. Reach it through. Don't reach all the way as far as you can go. Just the hand past the mat. Then place the palm up. Firm the hand into the ground as you lower yourself down to the mat. Once you're here, shoulder hand is firm down into the table, into the floor, not table. And then bring your other hand further in front of you. All right, activate both arms, contraction, and you're going to swivel your upper body to look up. Release to bring it down. Keep this fairly light. Think of mobility, of movement. You're reaching in and contracting the upper body to reach some of these more intricate musculatures and fascial webbing throughout the ribs, the intercostals. And keep contracting. Rotate, look up. Good, let's do one more time. Firming up the hand and the arm. Good, back to center. Push down into that right hand. Activate the middle body. Energetically back to center. Taking a seat down on the mat. Moving into the legs here a little bit more specifically. Going to keep those feet flat. Knees are going to open to the side. Pinky edge of the foot into the floor. Activate middle body. Knees press out. Keep pressing them out as your hands bring them in for 5. Relax to open. Little cracks. 4. Good. Resisting out. 3. Keep the middle body active. 2. You're getting a good, nice chest press, chest fly. Last one. Good. Keep the knees in, feet flat, hands press, the legs press into the hands. Hands are on the inside of the knee. You can grab however you want to maneuver. Your inner thighs are active as your arms peel the knees out to the side. Relax to come up. I have unusually short arms, and so for this, it's kind of hard to maneuver the way I want to. Sometimes I switch it up like this. I might go here. I might start here, flip to the palm of the hand. So a lot of different options here. And it doesn't have to be a big fight between the legs and the arm. You can keep it actually pretty light. 2 more. In and out. Last time, in and out. Excellent. Sitting down, taking a deep breath in through the nose. Big exhale out. We just need to reach the side of the body now, taking your left hand down to the ground and your right hand back behind your head like this. You're going to let the right side fall in and forward ever so slightly. Next, contract your pecs on the right. Your hand that's on the ground is going to resist back. At the same time, you're peeling that elbow up and swiveling it back and looking up into the right. Release to bring it back down. Pecs contract. Left hand's resisting back and you're opening the elbow and release. So you're getting a pec fascia stretch. You're getting side body because the elbow's coming up as well as back. Relax and open. Oh, this one would be a good one in the morning too. Last time. Contractions happen because you're making it happen in the pecs. Ooh, that one got further. And release. Good. You're going to bring the right hand firm it into the ground, left hand behind the head. Left body comes forward and down. Pecs contract. Make them work, turn them on. Once they're on, the elbow's going to peel back, body's going to push back. The weight of the head almost falls into the hand slightly to give you a little bit more leverage. Right hand's resisting back this way to counter. And relax. We have 4 more. Contracting as you open and lift. 4. Release. Contract. Keep that contraction. Middle body. 2. 3. And reach it back. 2. One more time. Whoa. And 1. Let it release. Good job. Take what you did in this class today and just repeat it as needed. So if you had a really full day or a lot of stress going on, come back to this. Use it to help ground yourself and come back to your body. We touched a little bit through the whole body in this one, so you have a full body recovery.